my circular saw blade cabinet. I keep my table saw and miter saw blades in here. 12-inch chop saw blade. Then some 10-inch chop saw blades. Table saw blades down here. Diablo blade. Then a minor rip blade, 24 tooth. Some circular saw blades. Oh, there's a wobble dado head that I haven't used in a lot of years. It's kind of a pain to adjust. I've got a stack dado head. And this is a box joint cutter. So if you have it in one orientation, it does 3/8. And then if you flip it around to the other orientation, it does 1/4 inch. Here you can see the joinery.